So, this is my hair without the braid. As you can tell, the braids come loose every so now and again, which prompts me to actually style my hair. So, what I do, and this is what I do now, I try to separate the hair to the best of my ability and start. So, it looks like this is it. And then I use this section. I wish I had my pins, but I don't have them. Alright, so I'm taking this. Alright, that's a section. So see how long my hair is? It's insane. But ooh. So now that I did this with the braid, I'm gonna try to combine as much as I can. Oh jeez. Alright, so this is me kind of combining as much as I can to make this braid work. Alright, so try this out. I'm going to combine here, combine there, and then see if it'll work. Alright, that's the hair. Now it's time to do the other one. It's sectioned off here, so I don't have to worry about it too much. And it's sectioned off on this part as well, so I don't have to do too much.